Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are reviewing a brand new update to an existing ROM, that is Alpha Droid. Now in this update we will check everything like battery backup, gameplay, performance, camera. Now talking about the battery backup in this ROM, since the Battery Guru app is back online, so the battery estimation has been a lot easier. Like you can see, this ROM gives around 7 hours and 51 minutes of screen on time and 304 hours of screen off time, which is incredible in my opinion. Not talking about the fast charging, this device charged from 12% to 82% in 1 hour and 10 minutes. That is around 70 minutes. So I'll say fast charging isn't working that well. 1 minute per charge, so 100 minutes, 100%. So there's that. Now talking about the customization in this ROM, customization comes in this alphabet tab like usual, and there are plethora of customizations as usual, like this user interface where you can turn on turn off smart pixels, then you can change the screen of animation, then change the full screen apps and all that stuff. Then you can also change the brightness bar style, notification style, then UI style. In UI style you can change the type of UI that you need. Like you can see here, Shishu Knights has this abstract kind of background, so there's that. Now you can customize and play around with the options. I'm not going to go in every single option because then this video will be like 30-35 minutes long. Yes, there are that amount of customizations in this ROM. So yeah, like you can see here, then there are the status bar customizations, so many customizations, then there are so many quick setting customizations. You can customize every single pixel in this ROM. Then there are these buttons customizations, then navigation if you use navigation bar, and note you can also customize all the notifications that you get. Then you can also customize the sound, volume panel style, rise style, realme OS style, default, and all that stuff. And then the miscellaneous, in my opinion this is the juiciest, where the actual stuff happens, like unlock higher FPS in the games, although it doesn't really work. I tried it in PUBG Mobile, or you can say BGMI, but it doesn't really work. And then unlimited photo storage, it does work. Then Netflix spoof, I haven't tried because I don't have Netflix subscription. Then ignore secure window flag, this allows to downgrade an application and all that stuff. Then there is this parallel space, swipe to screenshot like this. So yeah, there's that. Then you can also enable disable pocket detection, weather settings, and all that stuff. So yeah, there are unlimited amounts of customization and you can explore all of it. Everything works perfectly fine. Even I myself have customized a bit. Like you can see here, I have this leaf kind of brightness bar, then I have Batman header image, then the battery bar is iPhone like, and the icons are Akira's icons. Now talking about the camera application, you get the Leica camera app as usual, and with that everything works perfectly fine. Actually it works better than the normal MIUI application in aspects of videos or documents or photos. It clicks sharper pictures, more vibrant pictures, which have good amount of saturation. So yeah, there's that. And talking about the Play Store certification, as you can see the device is certified, so the banking apps work perfectly fine. There are no issues with any of that. And as you can see, this device has unlimited backup storage, so you can back up unlimited photos and storage at no charge. So there's that. And talking about performance in this ROM, I tested on Antutu benchmark and it scored around 3,87,000, which is not highest by any means, but it is a respectable score nevertheless. This is the CPU score, GPU score, then this is the memory score, and this is the UX. And the device doesn't heat up or throttle very easily. So yeah, even during gaming you get stable FPS. You don't get 90 FPS, but you get stable FPS. And obviously you also get Dolby Atmos in this ROM, and with that the sound experience has been amazing. I didn't feel any lack in loudness or quality of the audio. Obviously I use my custom equalizer, and with that the sound quality has been amazing, and there is no distortion as such, and by default the animations in this ROM are extremely fast. So yeah, device does feel snappy. So in the end I think this is a great ROM in my opinion. If you want great camera, great sound experience, a stable experience with a lot of customization which Android 14 is not offering right now, so you can definitely check out this ROM. It is a must try in my opinion. So that's all for this video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.